Welcome back. Every week, I scan the entire stock market to find the best value trades available right now on eToro. Picks you can start with as little as $100. No hype, no complex strategies, just smart, small investments for everyday people. Let's get into this week's picks. What's going on, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, every single week I go through the entire stock market, dig through the noise, and pull out the trades I think offer the best value right now on eToro. The best part? You don't need thousands to get started. Every pick I cover can be bought for $100 or less. So whether you're a complete beginner or just want to start small and grow smart, this channel is for you. So if that sounds good, make sure you hit subscribe and let's get into this week's top picks.
Looking ahead to the week of June 1st, 2026, the financial markets are gearing up for a highly volatile period. We are currently seeing a mix of changing central bank leadership, critical economic data releases, and major tests of support in the crypto markets. Here are the top catalysts, trends, and assets to add to your eToro watch list for this coming week. Disclaimer: the following is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research and manage your risk. 1. Macro and indices, the new Fed and jobs data. The broader markets are currently adjusting to the fact that Kevin Warsh was just sworn in as the new Federal Reserve Chair last week, May 22nd. Traders are highly sensitive to how he will handle persistent inflation and geopolitical tensions. The trade to watch: SPX 500 and USD. The biggest market mover of the week will be the U.S. non-farm payrolls (BLS) employment summary on Friday, June 5. Additionally, watch the U.S. ISM manufacturing PMI on Monday, June 1st, and services PMI on Wednesday, June 3rd. Expect heavy volatility on eToro's major indices like the S&P 500, SPX 500, and the US dollar as traders price in the new Fed chair's potential reaction to this data. 2. Stocks and equities, earnings and sector rotation. The stock market has been experiencing a noticeable rotation over the last few weeks, with capital shifting away from some overextended tech/AI growth stocks and moving into value stocks and small caps. Salesforce, CRM. Salesforce reports its quarterly earnings on Wednesday, June 3rd. As an enterprise giant, their forward guidance on AI monetization and software spending will be heavily scrutinized. Expect a volatile price reaction, often a great setup for short-term swing traders. Energy and defense, XLE USO. Geopolitical developments, specifically supply chain frictions and tensions near the Strait of Hormuz, are currently keeping oil and energy markets on edge. Keeping an eye on oil commodities or the Energy Select Sector SPDR on eToro could provide strong hedging opportunities if global tensions escalate. Small caps, IWM. With the market rotating toward value, tracking the Russell 2000 ETF IWM could yield better breakout setups than the tech-heavy Nasdaq right now. Crypto, critical support tests. The crypto market is currently flashing extreme fear due to a mid to late May crash driven by massive institutional outflows from spot ETFs, such as BlackRock's IBIT. Bitcoin, BTC, has dropped significantly over the past few days, hovering around the 70,000 psychological support. If it holds, we may see a relief rally. If bears break it, expect a cascade of liquidations bringing prices much lower. Ethereum, ETH, is currently fighting to maintain the crucial $2,000 support level. Traders should wait for clear confirmation of a bounce before stepping in. AI altcoins, WLD, Link. Interestingly, despite Bitcoin's slump, some AI-associated tokens like WorldCoin, WLD, have seen sudden surges due to AI sector strength. Chainlink, Link, has also spent months in a tightening accumulation triangle, making it a prime candidate for a sudden breakout. eToro trading tips for the week. Use stop losses. With Friday's NFP jobs data and a fragile crypto market, unexpected intraday spikes are highly likely. Watch the sentiment. eToro's social feed can be a great gauge of retail sentiment, especially on heavily traded assets like Bitcoin and Salesforce. If the crowd is overwhelmingly panicked, like the current crypto fear and greed index suggests, contrarian setups often begin to form.